Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the network protocol error in Minecraft using two simple methods. First, open the Windows search bar and type command prompt or CMD. Right-click command prompt and select Run as Administrator. If asked, click Yes. In the command prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. ipconfig/flush DNS. After the command completes, type the following command and press enter. ipconfig/renew. Next, type the following command and press enter. netsh winsock reset. After the reset is complete, you'll see a message asking you to restart your computer. Type exit, press enter, and then restart your PC to apply the changes. If the problem still isn't fixed, try the second method. Open the control panel, then go to Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your Ethernet connection and select Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, enter 8888. For the alternate DNS server, enter 8844. Click OK to save the changes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.